Welcome to our travel adventure where we'll take you on a journey to some of the most unreal places in the world. Imagine standing on the edge of a vibrant pink lake or wandering through a forest of towering ancient trees that seem to touch the sky. In this video, we'll explore stunning locations that defy imagination, from the breathtaking landscapes of Patagonia to the surreal rock formations of Cappadocia. Each destination is not just a feast for the eyes, but also a testament to the incredible diversity our planet has to offer. As we embark on this adventure together, we'll dive into the stories behind these unique spots, revealing why they are must-visit locations for any traveler. Exploring these extraordinary places is not just about the sights. It's about experiencing the magic that comes from stepping outside the ordinary. So, buckle up and get ready to be inspired. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or just dreaming of your next getaway, these unreal destinations will ignite your wanderlust and remind you of the beauty that awaits in the world. Let's get started on this unforgettable journey. The Solar Deu Yuni, Bolivia. Welcome to the Solar Deu Yuni, the world's largest salt flat, stretching over 10,000 square kilometers of breathtaking beauty. This vast expanse of white salt crust creates a surreal landscape that feels like stepping onto another planet. The flat is not only a stunning sight but also a unique ecosystem, home to various wildlife, including flamingos that thrive in its saline waters. To experience the mesmerizing mirror effect, the best time to visit is during the rainy season, from December to April. When a thin layer of water covers the salt flat, it transforms into a giant mirror, reflecting the sky in a way that is simply magical. This phenomenon attracts photographers and travelers from around the globe, eager to capture the stunning visuals. The Solar Deu Yuni was formed from the remnants of ancient lakes, and its salt crust is made up of layers of salt deposits that have accumulated over thousands of years. This incredible natural wonder is not only a tourist hotspot, but also holds significant lithium reserves, making it crucial for the future of renewable energy. Visiting the Solar Deu Yuni is an unforgettable experience that showcases the beauty and complexity of our planet. Antelope Canyon, USA. Welcome to Antelope Canyon, a stunning slot canyon located in the heart of the American Southwest. Known for its wave-like structure and breathtaking formations, this natural wonder captivates visitors with its vibrant colors and intricate patterns. As sunlight filters through the narrow openings above, it interacts with the canyon's sandstone walls, creating a mesmerizing display of reds, oranges, and purples that seem to dance and shift with the light. For photography enthusiasts, capturing the beauty of Antelope Canyon requires some tips. The best time to visit is during midday when the sun is directly overhead, illuminating the canyon's walls. Using a tripod can help stabilize your shots, and experimenting with different angles will allow you to capture the canyon's unique textures and colors. Beyond its visual allure, Antelope Canyon holds deep cultural significance for the Navajo Nation. The canyon is considered sacred, and its name reflects the importance of the land to the Navajo people. Visiting Antelope Canyon is not just about witnessing its beauty, it's also an opportunity to appreciate the rich history and culture that surrounds this extraordinary landscape. Prepare to be enchanted by the magical phenomenon of the aurora borealis, commonly known as the Northern Lights. This breathtaking display occurs when charged particles from the sun collide with gases in Earth's atmosphere, creating vibrant colors that dance across the night sky. The hues of green, pink, purple, and even red are a result of different gases reacting to solar winds, making each sighting a unique masterpiece of nature. For those eager to witness this spectacle in Iceland, the best locations include Thingvellir National Park, the Snæfellsnes Peninsula, and the remote areas of East Iceland. The ideal time for viewing is during the winter months, from late September to early April, when the nights are longest and the skies are darkest. Travelers often share their awe-inspiring experiences of watching the Northern Lights. Many describe the feeling of standing under a shimmering sky, with the lights swirling above them, creating a sense of wonder and connection to the universe. One traveler recounted how the lights seemed to whisper secrets of the cosmos, leaving them breathless and inspired. Witnessing the Northern Lights is not just a visual experience, it's a profound moment that stays with you long after the colors fade. Welcome to Pamukkale, a stunning natural wonder known for its breathtaking thermal pools and unique travertine formations. These terraces are created through a fascinating geological process where mineral-rich hot springs flow over the cliffs, depositing calcium carbonate as the water cools. Over thousands of years, this process has resulted in the formation of striking white terraces that resemble a cascading waterfall, inviting visitors to explore their beauty. Adjacent to these stunning pools lies the ancient city of Hierapolis, which holds significant historical importance. Founded in the 2nd century BC, Hierapolis was a thriving spa town known for its healing waters. The ruins of ancient temples, theaters and baths still stand today, offering a glimpse into the rich history of this remarkable site. Beyond their visual appeal, the mineral-rich waters of Pamukkale are believed to offer various health benefits. Many visitors come to soak in the warm pools, which are said to help with skin conditions, joint pain, and overall relaxation. So, whether you're drawn by the stunning landscapes, the historical significance, or the potential health benefits, Pamukkale is a destination that promises an unforgettable experience. Come and immerse yourself in this natural paradise. Welcome to the Great Blue Hole, an iconic underwater sinkhole that has captured the imagination of divers and adventurers from around the world. Formed during the last ice age, this geological marvel is over 300 meters wide and 125 meters deep, making it a significant site for both scientific study and recreational diving. Its unique circular shape and stunning blue color create a striking contrast against the surrounding coral reefs, drawing divers eager to explore its depths. Beneath the surface, the Great Blue Hole is teeming with rich marine biodiversity. Divers can encounter a variety of species, including colorful tropical fish, nurse sharks, and even the majestic reef sharks that glide gracefully through the water. The underwater stalactites and limestone formations add to the allure, making each dive a captivating experience. For those looking to snorkel or dive in this extraordinary location, it's essential to plan your visit carefully. The best time to explore the Great Blue Hole is during the dry season, from April to June, when visibility is at its peak. Always dive with a certified guide to ensure safety and to enhance your experience. Whether you're a seasoned diver or a first-time snorkeler, the Great Blue Hole promises an unforgettable adventure in one of nature's most stunning underwater landscapes. As we wrap up our journey through some of the most unreal places in the world, it's clear that each location we explored offers its own unique beauty and charm. From the breathtaking mirror effect of the Solar Deu Yuni in Bolivia, to the vibrant colors of Analopee Canyon in the USA, and the magical dance of the Northern Lights in Iceland, these destinations are truly extraordinary. Each site not only showcases the wonders of nature, but also invites us to appreciate the rich cultural histories that accompany them. We encourage you to consider adding these stunning locations to your travel bucket list. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or a deeper connection with nature, these unreal places promise unforgettable experiences that will stay with you long after your visit. If you enjoyed this exploration of the world's most incredible destinations, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more travel content. Don't forget to like and share this video with fellow travel enthusiasts who are eager to discover the beauty our planet has to offer. Thank you for joining us on this adventure, and we look forward to exploring more amazing places together.